Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll show you guys how to find the best building generators for use in Blender. So one of the best ways to find these cool add-ons is to go to this website, ggenebrush.gumroad.com. This is a great repository for many multiple Blender add-ons. Here we have a sample of one generator add-on for Blender. This one generates different nodes of different buildings to use as urban landscapes in Blender. Here's a sample of how we have different objects already installed to this node. By simply choosing the object we wish to load in, we can set the height, scale, and different settings by looking at the settings on the right-hand side. You can change the width, length, stairs, etc. just by looking at all these different modifiers. This is one of the best add-ons to use if you wish to add a ton of different buildings to create an urban landscape. Next, let's look at this one, Yakovlev Art. This building generator package has a ton of different options for billboards and other rooftop urban objects. As you can see, there are a ton of different assets to choose from. Some of these are free to use, while others will request a payment for the artist that created them. There are even demos for certain objects that we can add to our Blender package. Simply choose the packages and nodes that you wish to use for your needs. There are even cool asset packs that have different options for both day and nighttime objects. What's cool is that most of these packages even have their own self-tutorials so that you can know how to edit them in Blender yourself. Here, let's look at another Gumroad account to see what they have to offer for procedurally generated Blender objects. We'll be using this one to generate some really nifty urban detailed landscapes. Wow, by simply selecting the object and dragging, you can see how you can easily make a procedurally generated building from scratch. You can copy, paste, and simply watch the magic happen. And of course, you can see that all we have to do is add the Blender-OSM add-on to our Blender application. Simply follow the steps shown here on the screen, and you can see an entire cityscape generated for us from scratch. Feel free to explore the gumroad.com website to see all the different procedurally generated packages that you can add to your Blender program. And that's all the time we have to show you guys the best building add-ons to add to your Blender 3D program experience. If you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. I'm so excited to see all the different procedurally generated programs and add-ons you guys have discovered yourselves. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.